and an acorn fell and hit him on the head.
Oh my, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. I must go tell the king.
So he set off to see the king. Soon he met his friend Cocky Locky.
Where are you going, Chicken Little?
I see some the sky falling hit me in my head.
Oh, we must go and tell the king.
Yes, but we must run.
So Chicken Little and Cocky Locky set off to see the king. Soon they met their friend Goosey Lucy. And Goosey Lucy said, "May I go with you?"
Yes, well, let's run.
So Chicken Little, Cocky Locky, Goosey Lucy, and Ducky Lucky set off to tell the king. Soon they met their friend Ducky Lucky.
Where are you going, Chicken Little, Cocky Locky, and Goosey Lucy?
The sky is falling, we will go tell the king.
Oh no, may I go with you to tell the king?
Yes, but we must run.
Okay.
So Cocky Locky, Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, and Chicken Little went to go see the king. A sly fox was watching as the friends set off down the mountain. He stopped them just as they were running past.
Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Where are you guys going on such a fine day?
We're going to tell the king. That's all.
The sky is falling and we must go tell the king.
Oh. Well, that's a problem, but I can help. You guys can go through my den. There's another door on the other side. They will lead you to the king's castle.
Oh, really?
The fox began to smack his lips, ready for lunch. As the four friends walked into the den, just then the sound of barking dogs and howling dogs filled the air. Woof, woof.
Ow! Oh no, it's a fox hunt. The dogs have smelled my trail. Help! Help!
So Foxy Loxy ran away as fast as he could. Chicken Little and her friends met the king. The king gave Chicken Little and her brother so he can use it when searching for acorns. Now when the sky falls, Chicken Little doesn't even feel it, and the friends will happily ever after.
Yay! Oh, I couldn't get it. Yeah.